Hi, my name is Ryan Sisk, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Energy Tile and how we are reinventing renewable energy. So, something we at Energy Tile noticed when talking with homeowners and property owners was that there were many people who wanted to support sustainable energy, but it was out of their price range. So, as Daniel says, prices of sustainable energy sources are outrageously high compared to other alternatives, which led us to creating the solution of providing a cheaper and innovative alternative that was affordable to more people around the world. And this is an area of particular interest to me since I'm an electrical engineering student at ASU with a focus in sustainable power systems. So it's definitely a huge area of interest of mine. Why Energy Tile matters. Finding efficient sustainable energy sources is becoming increasingly important as the global climate condition worsens. This will only continue to get more important as we move forward. This is made worse by the fact that according to UCS USA, the average cost to install solar systems, which is the most typical sustainable energy source, is $2,000 to $3,700, which is pretty expensive for the average person. This also has led to a lack of creative and affordable ways for people to use sustainable energy. So our target consumer is a property or apartment owner who supports sustainable energy but does not have the means to afford sustainable energy. So they're looking for innovative ways that support can be met, and we're hoping to provide that. So here's our Energy Tile design. It's pretty simple. We have a rubber flooring apparatus to capture the kinetic energy, which is pretty simple and can just be installed in your home like a normal flooring system would be. Then inside the tile is where the piezoelectric discs are that convert kinetic energy to electricity. This is how you will produce the energy when you step on the discs. The piezoelectric effect creates energy from that, and repeated steps obviously produces more energy. So that's our design. For our solutions impact, we're hoping to have a wide-ranging impact around society. We hope to reduce the carbon footprint of traditional energy sources and provide a sustainable alternative. Luckily, this is a good time to be doing that, as critically, the economic case for the energy transition has never been stronger, according to Adnan Amin, who's the Director General of the International Renewable Energy Agency. We think it is a good time to be exploring sustainable energy as more and more people are beginning to realize that sustainable energy is an important and crucial way that we will move forward as a planet, as a global society. Also, sustainable energy sources accounted for 10% of energy in the United States last year, which is not a lot, but it also is a huge growth from what it's been the previous years. So there's definitely the want and the expansion is definitely there. So as for the competitive landscape, there are basically two other companies that do what we do right now, PaveGen and Constructus. All of them, including us, use piezoelectric effect to generate electricity. Us and PaveGen both use energy output tracking systems via an app, which both of us have. Constructus is the only one that doesn't, mainly because they focus on building tiles that are extremely heavy duty for roads and highways and things like that. So it wouldn't be practical to have people tracking their energy because it's more for heavy duty uses. And then we are the only company that provides cost effective materials that can be used on a small scale, home like environment. PaveGen typically sources out tiles for sidewalks or roads or things like that. So they don't use cost effective materials because they have to be durable enough to survive in the weather conditions that often can get pretty harsh, which adds to a lot of extra expenses. So by producing a smaller, affordable size for more people, we've been able to cut costs drastically from other companies like us and other sustainable energy alternatives as well. So how can you utilize? There's a $10 purchase per tile, so it varies depending on how many you want or need with additional warranty option. Then from there, you can download our app, install the tiles, and then after walking on the tiles, you can connect to the app and track your energy output so you'll know daily, weekly, monthly how much energy you're producing and how much you can expect to produce in later months if you need to buy more or whatever. For our business model and timeline, from our research data, lots of property and apartment owners have expressed interest in our design, especially if it cuts overall energy costs as well as producing, innovative, sustainable energy alternative. We will require several more months of testing to finalize the product design and app construction, and the main cost will be the initial product construction of the first tiles and their prototypes, as well as programming costs. So we have a $25,000 estimate to build initial prototype, but then a $100,000 estimate to scale up from there. Here's our team. My name is Ryan Sisk. I'm the founder and chief project manager. I'm currently an electrical engineering student at ASU. Like I said, I'm also the outreach chair of Engineers Without Borders at ASU, as well as a Fulton School student ambassador. Our other project team member is Gabriel Gasca, who is a business development and emerging technology and startup consultant. He knows the industry very well and he knows startups very well, so he's been a huge help to our team so far. And that's it. Thank you.